Hello, hashtag We Gamma Math. This is going to be a very short recording. I would encourage you to go and read the email for more details. But real quickly, our data, we start off every time with our data, and this is just an overview of our data so far. Anything in green means it's your latest test that you've taken. Spotlight from week 24. Remember, you all stated that, hey, I love this training. I really want to see it happening more. Well, in order for that to happen, we have to make sure that key people know and understand the importance of having that blended learning space to plan. So please make sure you email any one of the following people or all to let them know how February the 13th and January the 25th has worked for you. On our week 24 tracker, I do want to give shout outs to the fact that we are getting more information in as a team. There are some still incomplete portions of the data, but I want to commend you on what you have done thus far. Go ahead and check it out for yourselves. And as always, if you need any exemplars, we have Allison that showed exemplars of when people are testing, Robinson as well, when you're testing how do I put it in, and then of course Russo can show you exemplars of how she puts it in and then go back and respond to it. So make sure that you are doing that. Last but not least, week 24 and beyond prep. Our focus for 03 weeks of February the 18th is IA3 intervention and exit ticket data. And then we are going to be jumping into IA3, and then we'll go into March Madness. And actually, March Madness dates have been changed to has been changed to March the 1st instead. And just know that I'll be out on the 6th through the 8th, and that's right before the spring break week. Let's stamp it with our mission to provide students with the opportunity to excel academically by building critical thinking skills and utilizing research based practices to ensure that all students receive an equal and ample opportunity to learn. Keep at it, keep doing great. If you need me, reach out.